Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jason and today I'll show you the basics of maps and how to set the starting point and look at those. There are some things that are told in the basic video, so go watch it. So right click to view the properties of a map. Every map has a name, a tileset that you use for different maps. For example, if you're making a house, it will have an inside tileset. And a Pokemon mart will have a tileset called Pokemart. These are the width and height. And this is the background music. And the map ID will come handy later. If you can see this /pn, this is how it shows the player's game name, whatever you have kept in the start. So the door event is a pretty simple event. It's a door. You can find this event in the Lapid town. Just go and copy and paste it to your town or city. Now to make it teleport where you want, just click it and scroll down and you will see this event command called transfer player. Edit it. Place it wherever you want to teleport the player. Usually for doors, just place it on the welcome mat. Then go to the welcome mat and change the transfer player to the front of the house. Okay, now for the starting point, you need to go to the intro and click on this. Just leave everything and scroll down to the bottom and change this transfer player to wherever you want the player to start his or her journey. There is a problem here. Whenever you copy a 2-floored house like this, you need to change the transfer player of the stairs to this place. You know, I feel very dumb when I do something wrong and then I will say, remember to do this, but I forget about it myself. It works. So hope you learned something new.